أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. This video is specifically for those people who want to venture into tech and want to learn Python but are constrained with the right tools such as laptop, but they have their mobile phone. And so it's a joy to let you know that you can use your mobile phone to learn Python with ease. You just have to be patient. And part of what will make it easier for you is to buy a phone kit. I do sell a phone kit for 35,000 naira. Like it comes with a keypad and a earbud with a phone stand. That's 3 in 1, which you can use. Now, without much ado, let's start. So this class is specifically for one of my brother who was so interested in learning uh, cybersecurity, and so this is where you want to start. And part of what I recommend for him is a Python class, but he don't have laptop and wants to start with his mobile phone. So now I want to learn Python, so you need to understand the interface, and this is why this is very important for him. Now let's start with the first place, which is the file. I said if you want to start, you have to start with uh, colab.research.google.com. You will see it, colab.research.google.com. That is the how do I call it? That is the where you are starting from, collab.research.com. That is where you start. Once you type this thing into your browser, definitely it will take you to Colab where you start. But what you need to know is the first place where you see class with edis.ipynb. That is where you can click and rename your file anyhow you like. Understand? So once you are done, you press enter. The next one is that icon, like cloud icon, drive icon. So where you can save. Once you click on it, it will automatically save. So as you click on it, so you see that it shows different version. Because I've named it before. You can see August 2, 324, 313, 312. So those are, so I don't need it. I just click outside of it so that it will go away. So now another thing is that when this thing comes, so I'll click on it here. So I'll click on it and I'll click the close. I see close now. Now let's go there. We have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 menu bar, the file, the edit, view, insert, runtime, and the likes. Those are what we have at the menu bar. And then the next one is the toolbar. The tool, we have the command tool, the code tool, the text tool, and the run tool. So now the command tool is where you can search for command. Search tools that you can use to search your command. If you have many code that are already running, you can use it to search for certain code. Then the code block, the code which have plus icon there. So the one that have plus icon, this is where you can insert a new code. Alright. Then the one the text is where you can add a text. And the run all, you can see at the front of the run all there is another arrow there. If you click it, it shows what you want to run. You can start section reforms and the likes. So you can clear all outputs as the case may be. Now we've not started anything. Here you can see something. There is some, because I am at the text interface now. You can see it says double click or enter to edit. This one is a text, and I can delete it based on all these functions up and down. If I should click on the arrow up, it will take the cell up. Now you can see it has moved to up, and it brings the code block down. So if I should click down to it, will take it back. And if I should click that pen icon, it shows I want to edit, I want to write something inside. So let's click on this edit. So it shows me. So what do I want to write? So if I say now, be notice of something. If you want to write now, if I want to write something, let's say hello everyone. Now you see something. This is the script, and this is the other side is showing what I wrote. Abi, it's showing you how those things looks like. If I should highlight everything here and make it bold. Let's say I make the everyone bold. You can see that everyone. So these are how it goes. If I should take my cursor to hello as well, at this hello, and I click on bold too, it have double star on it. I don't know if you're getting me. All right. So these are what you need to know. And whenever you want to do all these things, so you should be very careful because anytime you are typing on those cells, it will be bringing it bigger. And so you need to make sure you find a way to make it go back so you can see it physically. So part of what I do is that I'll come to the up. So from there is where I will now stretch because if you come to the middle here, you won't be able to stretch it back. Just with your two finger, when you break it inside together, those things will zoom back. When you take your middle two finger inside and you wide it back, it will bring it inside. You know how you zoom on your normal mobile phone, right? Okay, that one for that. Then if I want to delete it, I'll just click on that delete button, that bin icon at the left. You can see. Just look at this. I've deleted the cell. So here the cell is gone, nothing. Now the second one, the only one that is remaining now is the code block. This code block is where I can code, and the reason why you know that this is a code is that it will show that start coding or generate with a high. It will show those things inside. Then it will have a play button at the left, and you see something like a square bracket at the back. So these are attributes that will make you know this is this. Then also you see something that shows connect at the top. So this connect means shows that this our Python environment is not yet connected to the server where you can run it. So you must click it to connect. If you click it, you will see something now. Let me zoom back. Now it's showing connecting. Let's wait a bit. Let us wait a bit and see something. So you have to connect to the Python environment, to the interpreter and the likes. That is what it shows. But as it is running, let's try to also, okay, let's try if you can delete this code cell too. I'll press on delete icon and see nothing here. Now, if I want to add, just click on that code, the one with plus code. It shows that add code block. I click on it, it brings one. You can see. And if I want to add another code cell, this thing on it, hey, you can see both those things that is running before. The connecting has come. It shows RAM and disk. So the number of RAM that we use will be displaying as we are writing more code, and the disk that we've used is be shown as we are running more code. Now let's say I want to start writing my code now. So let's say I'm trying to add a variable named a with value 5 and variable name b with value 10. Let's see, I say a equals to 10. The next one I said b equals to 5. All right. So now if I now want to find the results of b over a over b, now say result is equals to b divided by a. You can see I now want to display that result. Now say print result. Now if I should run this line of code now, if I press this play, you see what brings shows at the bottom. So it said cell has not been executed in this session. Alright, click so it's still connecting. That's why you can see. Let us connect. Once it's connected, so it will run. It's still connecting. So you are trying to see what I'm trying to let you know with connected now. So now that it has connected, you can see. Is it not 10 over 5? Is it not half? So print results. If I change this value of b over a to b times a, the result will be what? Will be so now b. You can see now once I click on it, it makes it bigger. Just try and scroll back. So everything will be looking perfect. I can scroll down first. So to still come back. B times A. Alright. So I now run my code. To be 50, you can see. So your value, the value of whatever you run will be showing below. You can see it runs for 0. Look at this place. The time that takes this code to run is 0 seconds, within 0 seconds. And the value, the answer is 50. So it depends on what you do. So what I'm just trying to show you is that it is the code cell that you run your code, and it is the markdown, the text that you run your text as a markdown of a thing. As time goes on, what the essence of this is just to show you that without laptop you can still learn Python on your phone. Alright, so just ensure you continue with your learning as time goes on. So once you have any issues, okay, let me assume this thing, there's an error here. Yeah? And I'm now say I put B over B times C. You will see that something will happen. B times C. You know there is nothing like C. I have no variable name called C. So now say you should run the code for me. Now let's see what happened. I click on run. You can see it says name error. Name error. So it will show error. So track most recent call last. So it brings result. The error is at the result line. It shows the arrow of where the error is. So name C is not defined. I think there's no any variable that is called C. Until I name a variable C. That is when I will have my resource. Alright, so this is how this thing works. And if I want to, now it says explain error. Next step, explain error. This is part of what you learn. The how do I call it? This is part of the advantage of using Colab as a beginner. So if I set explain error now, let's see what it brings out. Now by clicking on the explain error now, so look at it. It said the error, the Gemini interface. It said the error name C is not defined. It means that the variable C was used without being assigned as a value first. So to fix this, you need to define C before using it in the calculation. So you can see. So this is what you try to gain. So and if you want to do, you accept and run. So accept and run. I click on it. So it will automatically bring another value. So assuming C, say C equals to 2, assuming C should be defined with value. So you now give C to be 2, C equals to 2, then it's running for me. So B times C, which is 5 times 2, the answer is 10. Alright, so this is how all those things works. So just keep on using it. The more you use it, the better it is for you. So and you see that at this place, at the downward button, you see something that called variable terminal. This. So this terminal now, if you click on it, you can see this terminal is one that you see in the one that guy is using. So you yourself, you can use the terminal and do some thing. So contents, this terminal. So you can say A is equals to, let me use D. So I can say D is equals to 7. As D is equals to 7 now. So the big issue is that if you are not, when I said D equals 7 now, for me to now come down, either it is normal this thing, I will press shift and move to the next line so that I can now say D times this. So that's why it's giving me error, command not found. So let me say you are now say A as 2, that's A square, which is 10 square equals to C not found. So that is that for you. So what I just know is that just try. Then you see Python 3 at the down too, and it shows the time 3:42 p.m. The last time I run it. So Python 3. If you click on Python 3, so you can say you want to change the runtime, show some code history and the likes. So all those things are just for another day. So till next time, have a nice day. And oh, sorry. Then I need to show you here. This side too. All these icons are here. It's like a menu. You click on that three bacon, three line at the top. When you click on it, so it shows you table of content. If you have several content that is float, at least a CB. Then the search also. You can use to search something and replace them in your code. And if you want to search for code, you see this third one. Find code snippets. Then search feasibility. You want to inspect something in your code. So then the key. So you want to add this thing. This one will use it with other application to run your code. Then your folder where you save all those things. So you can see it's in general how do I call it? Then there are sample data set that comes with it. You click on it, it show you different sample data set, California housing, all these things. They are sample data set that comes with it. Then this is the table as well. The data set modules on the likes. You can find kind of competition, different things that you can use. You can use those things to create data. So let me assume, let me say I want to use uh Animal Crossing Jamaica now. Once I click on this Animal Crossing now, so and I want to import it now. Import this, it brings me how to import it. Then I can now say it shows me this contain 30 files. If I click on that icon, so 30 file CSV, the 630 column, 4 and state of it async integers 57 boolean and the likes. So if I want to import it, this is the code. I just need to do what? Copy everything. I've copied it. And also I can do like this. I can press the plus icon there. It brings it to me instantly inside. You can see. Import cargo data sets. So I don't need anything again. Just come back. This code is just come inside. You can see. Then if I now play, I run it. So you can, it has using Colab cache for fast access. You can see. Access Animal Crossing. So it shows everything that I need in those code. So from there, I can now read the data. Okay, if I don't have time to read, I can just use this one. Say, okay, so how can I help you read? So read me the Animal Crossing data set. So now I've put the app on it. So it will generate the code to read it for you. You can see. So import OS, this is the concept of the animal disease. So you can see. So and this is here. So the next thing is for me to just click on it and run. This is construction data that is here. So okay, let's accept and run. So different things. So let me just stop here. At least with this you should be able to understand what is going on. Till next time, bye for now.